Let's begin.
Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a cluster stacked column chart in Excel. It's a nice combo chart that Excel doesn't offer in the default charts. In this data table we have two courses with their income and expenses for each of the following categories: e-learning, YouTube, webinars and podcast. These four are gonna be our legend. So the first and the most important step is to set up the data correctly. Income and expenses are our multi-level axis labels. Now highlight our data range from A2 to F6. Go to Insert tab, press the column chart and pick the Start column chart. It's not yet the chart we want, as you can see. Click on the chart and from Design tab, find the Switch Row Column button on your right and click on it. Excel has created a stacked column chart with the combination of a column chart. Also, Excel made two groups of data, Course 1 and Course 2. The vertical axis shows the totals of income and expenses for each course. Highlight, for example, the data range from C3 to F3 is the income of Course 1. And look down there at the sum. Now right-click any one of these series and from Format Data Series, change the gap width to 100%. If you want, you can change the title of the chart and move the legend to the right. Nice! It also works for bar charts, so if you want you can go to Design ribbon and change the chart type to a stacked bar chart. If you have any questions, post a comment and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.